Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Vadim and I am a Salesforce QA engineer at ENWAY. We are Salesforce consulting and ISV partner and we help businesses overcome challenges using Salesforce. In this video, you will learn 4 helpful report formulas to enhance your sales process. Let's get started. Salesforce is a highly effective tool that can help businesses manage their customer relationships and sales processes. But to truly unlock its potential, you need to understand Salesforce formulas in reports. So, what exactly are Salesforce report formulas? Simply put, Salesforce report formulas are calculations that you can be used to make data more meaningful. They can help you streamline your sales process, improve your metrics, and gain valuable insights in your sales data. Here are 4 Salesforce report formulas to take your sales game to the next level. The first one is lead conversion rate formula. This formula calculates the percentage of leads that are converted into opportunities. It helps sales reps and managers understand the effectiveness of their lead generation and qualification strategies. To calculate the lead conversion rate for the selected period, we need to build a lead report. Here's our prepared report. First of all, I filtered the report to show all leads. Then I grouped the report rows by created date, lead source, and columns by converted leads. To calculate the conversion rate for each month, we need to add a summary formula. We name the column as lead conversion rate and change the formula output type to %. To calculate the lead conversion rate, we need to divide the number of converted leads by the total number of leads. So we select converted leads, click on divide, and then select the record count metric, which is basically our total number of leads. Next, we validate the formula, all is fine, and finally we click apply and run the report. Here are our leads conversion rates. The second formula is sales pipeline velocity. It is an important metric for businesses as it helps them to understand how quickly they are generating revenue from their sales efforts. Here we have a familiar opportunity report with some adjustments. Again, the report is filtered by close date with all time range. Then I grouped rows by created date and selected group date by calendar month. Let's start building. That can be challenging, pay attention. We name the column as sales pipeline velocity. Next, we insert the record count field as the number of opportunities and multiply it by the average deal size. To do that, we insert amount and choose average. The third metric is win rate. To calculate it, we select the total number of closed opportunities and divide it by the total number of records. It is all our dividend. Now we need the sales cycle length as a divider. It is not an out-of-the-box field, that's why we will create it with the help of custom formula field. Sales cycle is the average number of days an opportunity took to reach closed or won status. And here we will create the formula to calculate days to close the deal. In the opportunity object, we pick formula data type and fill out formula value, that is close date minus date value, created date. Now we are ready to calculate the sales cycle length. We will insert the newly created field and then divide it by the number of closed opportunities. The full equation is done. Next, we validate the formula, all is fine, then we click apply and run the report. Here is our sales pipeline velocity. The third formula is the quarterly forecast. It calculates the expected revenue for a quarter based on the opportunities in the pipeline. The formula takes into account the probability of closing each opportunity and the expected close date. Here is our familiar opportunity report. The report is filtered by close date with all time range. Then I grouped rows by close date and selected group date by calendar quarter. Next, we need to create a summary formula, which you have already familiar with, and select the expected revenue field. Finally, we click Apply and run the report. Voila! The last but not least, sales rep productivity formula. This formula helps you determine salesperson productivity based on the amount of their revenue. Here we have again an opportunity report. I have already filtered it by closed-won opportunities only and grouped rows by opportunity owner. To evaluate sales reps' performance, we will use total amount of closed-won opportunities. This metric is the number of revenue per sales rep. To calculate it, we need to insert the total amount of won opportunities. Yes, that's simple. Then we click Apply and run the report. Profit! And there you have it, 4 Salesforce report formulas to improve your sales process. Give them a try and see how they can help you close more deals and drive revenue. Here at ENWAY, we understand that every business is unique. That's why we take personalized approach to formula development if you're in search of complete solutions. Visit our website to learn more about the custom development at ENWAY. The link is in the description. Okay, that's all I have for today. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content. See you in the next video. Bye bye!